somebody called me Granny Pothead, and then they giggled a lot. And I said, hey, you know, I'm very serious about this. This is medicine that can save lives.
Without the medical use of marijuana, I would have died quite some time ago. Absolutely. There's no doubts in my mind. I would either have really contemplated a state of suicide and committed it, or I probably would have wasted away, the wasting syndrome.
Although the courts and the juries may be reluctant to put these people in prison, that is in fact is what is happening right now. Sick and dying people are being put in prison for using marijuana as medicine, and that's wrong. And America doesn't like that. They don't like sick and dying people used as pawns, essentially pawns, and there's no win war on marijuana.
It's virtually impossible. You know, how can an officer enforce the marijuana laws when there are people out there that may have a prescription, if this bill passes, if this law passes, to either grow it or to possess it, and others not have it? You know, how will the officer on the street know who can and can't have it? Virtually, it would be impossible to enforce the narcotic laws. How do you get a person to acquire marijuana without growing it? It's not available by prescription. What are some of the controls that are going to be that there aren't any, and it would be almost impossible to enforce any kind of narcotic law where some of the public is able to have it and the other is not.
Yeah. They are not qualified to practice medicine, yet they feel that they can say anything they want, notwithstanding no scientific or medical proof. And they're talking about jobs, theirs, and trying to carve out an illegitimate position and unfortunately hurt many people through these kinds of efforts. People that could use this most valuable medication that was prescribed for a century before it was taken off the market in 1940.